This is Lisa from Peanuts and Peppers Paper Crafting. Today I'm going to show you how to make a triangle twisted card and gift card holder using the Stampin Up triangle stamp set and coordinating stitched triangle dies. I shared this project on my blog about a week ago, and now I'm making the video tutorial so you can make one for yourself. So let's go ahead and get started. Here's my twisted card and gift card holder. It says Joy and Cheer on the front, and then when you open it, there's my inside sentiment, Christmas is best when we're together, and then here's a little pocket for a gift card. These are very easy to make. You can get 2 from 1 sheet of cardstock, and the best part is, although I made these for Christmas, you can use these for other occasions as well. Alright, what you're going to do first is you need a sheet of real red cardstock, and this is 4 1/4 by 11, and what I've done is I've placed this in my stamping trimmer and I've scored this at a diagonal from this corner to this corner, and I've made a line, a square line, so you can see what I did. Once you score it from corner to corner, all you're going to do is you're going to fold it and twist it down like so. Take a bone folder, go over your score line. Then you're going to line this up in your paper trimmer again. My trimmer, I use my trimmer for my scoring as well. And I'll line this up at 5 7/8 and score it in the middle again. And what that's going to do is make the base for your card, like so. So again, a piece of cardstock, this is real red, at 4 1/4 by 11, score it at a diagonal, fold on the score line, crease, line it back up in your scoring or trimmer, and score at 5 7/8. Now here's one that I've done that doesn't have the white score line, and I'm just going to go back over my card fold like so. And so here's the front and here's the back. Now you can make this a double pocket, but I'm covering the front. Alright, next what I want to do is add my layers. I'm using the Heartwarming Hugs Designer Series paper. The colors are Mossy, Meadow, Pear Pizzazz, Real Red, and Whisper White. And I've chosen this Real Red and Mossy Meadow diagonal pattern for my card. To make the layering pieces, I've taken another piece of Whisper White cardstock. This is 4 by 10 1/2, and then I'm going to fold and score this again, but this time I'm going to cut it at 5 1/2. And when you do this, this will make all of the pieces that you'll need to make the layers for your cardstock and your sentiment. And so I just made templates. So if I want to use this for another occasion, I have my templates already ready to go. So these are for my cardstock and sentiment layers. Okay. I'm bringing back in my base. Okay, so I'm going to start on the front. I'm going to add some adhesive. I'm going to go to the inside And you can decorate this any way you want. The sky is the limit to the number of layers you want to put on this. I like mine clean and simple. I'm adding a piece of Mossy Meadow. And again, this piece is from the template that I made with the Wistful White cardstock. I'm going to set this aside for a second. Here's my sentiment layer, and I just cut this piece a quarter of an inch shorter than my Mossy Meadow piece for my template. This is the Triangle stamp set, and you notice that it has multiple sentiments in it. Christmas is best when we're together. Greetings, joy and cheer. Happy wishes to you and yours, Mary. From all of us. And then it has all these different trees that you can make and die cut with the stitched triangle dies. These are the stitched triangle dies. These are very nice. I like anything that's stitched, and this works perfectly with that stamp set. Alright, so from the stamp set, I am using Christmas is best when we're together. So I'm stamping that in real red ink. This is a photopolymer set, which means that you can see clear through it. There's my sentiment. I'm going to bring back in my gift card and gift card holder. That's what I like about it. You get a two in one when you make this project. Add some adhesive on the back. That's my inside. Now let's go back and complete the outside. Alright, I have a piece of this is Mossy Meadow ribbon, diagonal stripe ribbon, and I've cut this. I'm going to do a fall bow on this. Makes it that much easier. So I'm just going to add some adhesive. To the back of my ribbon. Oops. Let's see here. Okay, and then I've made a focal point using the layering circle dies. Those are my go-to dies. And so what I'm going to do is take this Mossy Meadow circle and adhere it to the scallop, real red. And then this is going to go right in the center. circle fell on the floor. All right, here we go. We're gonna adhere this right to the center. And I'm just gonna take 2 Stampin' Dimensionals just to give it some depth. All right, next I have another piece of Whisper White that I've cut with the layering circle dies. That's gonna go right on top. And then next I'm going to add my trees. Again, these trees are cut with the Tree Angle stamp set. I chose this pattern and this pattern. I did one in Mossy Meadow and one in Real Red. And I've added dimensionals on the back. And I even have my little tree trunk that is in the stamp set. And I've already made a little banner. I've stamped this in Real Red. This is the Joy and Cheer. And I have dimensionals on the back. This is just gonna go right across. And then remember I told you we were gonna do a fall bow? I just took a piece of that Mossy Metal ribbon and tied a little bow. And I'm just going to add this on the side. And my little mini Stampin' Dimensional. Now to finish this off, I'm just adding some glitter enamel dots. Some days I can get these and then some days I can't. I don't have anything in those right now. And there you have it. A card and gift card holder That's quick and easy. You can get 2 from 1 sheet of cardstock. Take your gift card and fit it in here, or you can even put money in here as well. I hope you like this project. I hope you'll give it a try for yourself. If you do, I would love for you to share a picture or send me a note and say if you found this project easy to complete. Thank you for stopping by. To see more of my projects, you can visit me at peanutsandpepperspapercrafting.com. You can also find me on Facebook at Peanuts and Peppers Paper Crafting, also Instagram and Pinterest at Peanuts and Peppers Paper Crafting, or you can also find me on Instagram at Peanuts and Peppers Paper Crafting Cards. Thank you again. I hope to see you soon. Happy stamping!